Good morning, folks. I've been asked many times about the Ret Ring, a couple questions about the new crush gauge. And the one-piece Ret Ring was designed to safely attach a impact socket, which one we have here. This is a 3/4 drive socket. And you can see it has a through hole through the socket, as well as the anvil of the tool has a through socket too. And this Ret Ring is one piece and will hold the socket from coming off the square drive when in use. It's important that you have a socket that is not worn when you put it. So when you look at the edges of the socket, you make sure that they're not peened up or worn in any way. Same way with the anvil, you want to make sure it's not worn, because any excessive wear will allow the socket to turn inside that, and it will actually do damage to the Ret Ring, and may in certain circumstances let the socket come off, which we don't want to happen. So to install, the crush gauge is the newest version of the Ret Ring. It's made out of a resin plastic, which, unlike the steel predecessor, which is still in the line, will crush if impinged because of a worn socket. This gives you a warning that the socket must be replaced. So if that ridge in any way, when you take it off, has any dent or any damage to it, it means the socket should be replaced. I'll go on to show you how it's installed on the device. So this is a 3/4 drive impact. The same installation goes with any of the sizes that we're talking about. So the first thing you do is put the Ret Ring basically on the tool itself like this before the socket is put on. You'll pull the pin back, and what we'll do is we'll install the socket aligning the through holes so in the same direction. You then take the pin and turn it and push it through all the holes, and you take your fingers, basically put the ring so that it's fully on the socket and engaged. This will ensure that the ring will hold the socket in place when used and will do a good job. So if there's any other questions, please give our website a jingle. We'll be glad to answer any questions. And until we talk next time, thanks. This is Gray Farley of FTL Enterprises.